Thank you, ladies, for the comments and shares, and thank you for listening to my experience with pads, with the glue and the plastic and whatnot. Yeah. So now, I'd like for Jenny to tell us her experience. So, Jenny, what has been your experience with pads?
Yeah, I don't know, and I know many of you ladies or others will experience this.
Yes.
What material are they using on our pads? Because you wear a pad, you see the way you can put like you wrap and nylon paper together. Then when you're just walking, it's like and the problem with that is you definitely know the next person can actually hear the sound.
Yeah, so you're very conscious because you're like,
Yeah, you can hear me. You can hear me. Why is it making that noise? Ladies, have you experienced that? That can noise as if you the two nylon papers that work together. It is such a bad experience, and sometimes you're even forced to play TikTok.
yes, or you go with your thighs, you got to stack together, because you don't want that friction.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, can you join the conversation and let us know?
I experience this, by the way. If you have or something else, just tell us. Just keep on telling us in the comments. And of course, follow for part 3. We'll be posting it tomorrow. So follow us for part 3. Again, it's Dana Care Plus.
Yeah, thank you.